is going to be my second take because I tried making it, but then it stopped recording. So I'm sorry you didn't see the beginning. So let's just make a quick thing, or a quick video, just to introduce myself and say that I'm going to start trying to record Animal Crossing New Leaf for the Nintendo 3DS. La 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 la. What the heck was that? The bridge is over here. I'm just choosing. Oh yeah, I'm going to the town hall. I'm stupid. In case you wanted to know, this is what the town looks like. I don't know what my fruit is. It's cherries. Yes! Yes! Okay, the town hall is blue. And this is blue. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Even though I'm lonely. Later on, I might record Tomodachi Life for the Nintendo 3DS because, you know, I got it and maybe I want to record it, as you can see right here, Tomodachi Life. And post in the comments if you guys want to see that. So, yeah. Let's just get through this talk. And then let's just do it. Let's just do it once. Let's just do it in a couple. And also post in the comments if you're just gonna watch it just because you want to, or if you want it to like watch it because you want to and just do it while you're playing your game, or maybe just poop and derp. Yeah, watch it while you're pooping. Yeah, pooping. Can I poop on you? Peace. Oh my gosh, so bright. I'm not gonna talk to everybody yet. Okay, there's a rock. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, I gotta go over here. I have played this before a bunch of times. My last town was amazingly freaking awesome. It was awesome. But, you know, YOLO, because I wanted to make this Let's Play or walkthrough or whatever you guys want to call it, just for you guys. So you guys should be happy because I just deleted my whole town just for you, and it was fracking awesome. Okay, stop. Just stop. Okay. Yes, I actually have. Because every time I choose the town on like what it's gonna look like in the beginning of the game, I choose where I want to live. That's why. And it is going to be kind of a little fatty. It's gonna be right here. Oh, poop, there's a rock. Why is there always a rock where I want to live? Every single time. There better not be a rock right here. Oh, there is a rock. Oh. Fine, I'll just do it right here. Right here. Yes. Yes, I can do it. It better not get rid of that tree that's right there. I don't care. That's gonna be our house, except the roof is gonna be blue, because blue is just the best color in the world. I don't know why some people's favorite color are black. It's weird, because it's like, it's like basically not even a color. It's just a thingy of things. Alright, time to go over Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, go town hall. Why did I even go here? Time to go to town hall, baby. Yeah. What the heck? Hold on a second. Alright, never mind. Why is this thing so blurry? There we go. Time to get to the town hall. Let's go to our blue town hall. No, there's a little strap right here. Ah. Alright, from now on, I'm gonna start saying peace out when I get out of here. Or when I start recording. Cause, yeah. So let's just take this silent moment. Ooh, we got a wolf. Oh, we got a little. Shh, quiet, quiet. It's okay. Shh. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, that was so epic!